Okay, Scrapper Tom here, and today we're going to do some coaxial cable. You can see this is your television coax, but I'm going to start first with coax that came from a CB radio. It had the black sheath on it. I already took it off. I know, I'm bad. But I'm going to show you how to get this outer copper layer off of it. All you do, you start. Now isn't that nice? The whole thing just comes off. That slick. I'll put it down here with the rest of it I've already done. And now we've got the inner core. Should have brought my razor blade in with me. Mosquitoes are too bad outside. So, magnet does not stick. Yay! So that's also copper. All of your CB coax will be copper on the inside. So that's done. All I have to do is skin this. I got 2 pieces of copper out of it. Now the other thing right here, I've already made me a slit here. Ew, this is sticky. Ew. I wonder if that's okay. That's wanting to stick to the magnet. That's the trouble with the TV coax. Is you've got so many different kinds, but this is supposed to be copper on most of them. This one evidently is not. And the inside if I can get to it. The center core on almost all of your TV coax. There, I cut right through it, and I didn't want to do that. Let me get my razor knife. I keep the dull one in here. I said it was dull, didn't I? Alright. Now we're down to where I can get a magnet to it. And like I said, almost all these TV coaxes, the magnet sticks to the inner core, just the same as it does this one. So basically, when you get a TV coax, just check the outside core. Most of them are copper. And most of them aren't real sticky like this. And got some kind of lube on it or something, I guess. So, anyway. And don't forget, you can always go to iScrap app. And I'm sure somebody on there on one of the forums can let you know exactly what you've got. And you can always find out where your nearest scrapyard is. Okay, Scrapper Tom, keep on scrapping.